I've been in practice now since 1979. I passed the bar in North Carolina. 1980, I passed the bar exam in the state of Georgia and began practice here, and have practiced continuously since that time. In 1995, I decided that I had substantial experience in civil trial practice, and there was a board certification exam that was available that you could take if you wanted to hold yourself out as an expert. I decided that from the marketing standpoint that it was desirable that I should be able to hold myself out as an expert in civil trial practice, and that was what was available at the time. There were no further specialization exams, so I wanted it to be proven and to be able to say that I was an expert in the field of civil trial practice. In 2012, I took the exam for civil trial advocacy. In the last year, I decided that even though the areas of medical malpractice and truck accident law were covered under my other general board certifications, that it was important to me as a lawyer to take the board certification exams in both medical malpractice and trucking law. It's a process that takes 6 months to a year even to do the application process, to get all the recommendations that you need, to get the proof and certifications from your CLE and from different sources to prove the verdicts that you've obtained, etc. So it's a long process, and took both, and I passed both, thank goodness. But then looking back, I thought, well, okay, maybe I'm just a glutton for punishment, that I wanted this for myself. I didn't want anyone in any area that I practice to be able to say that they were a greater expert in a field of practice that I knew that I was an expert in. So that was one of my motivations in getting these board certifications. But then subsequently, after I got them, and I now have 4 board certifications, someone that I was working with who was talking to me about why I did that took the time to go and check every state in the United States and to see if there were any other lawyers in the entire United States, of which there are 1.3 million attorneys in the United States, and they came back and said that I was the only board-certified lawyer in the entire country. So there are a lot of attorneys who are experts in their field. There are very few, if any, that are experts in both truck accident law and medical malpractice, and generally in civil trial practice, which I am in all. That sets me apart as a lawyer who cares on my own behalf that I'm going to be the best expert I can possibly be in all areas of practice of law, that I'm going to hold myself out to clients as being the person they need to hire to represent them. And I felt that proving this through board certification in all of these areas was both important to me, my practice, and to our clients.